Good morning. We got some rain. Wow, what a beautiful morning.
You have two dogs. I saw the little one.
Yeah.
So good. Yes, you are. And all of a sudden I saw the big one and I thought, wait a minute, did the dog grow?
Yep. And changed color.
Breed and everything.
Have a good day.
You too.
So I just saw some fireworks that one of my business partners posted. Oh my gosh. I haven't seen fireworks like that in years. So now I'm like even though London is notorious for playing it, like we're gonna have fireworks all weekend. Like that was just the beginning last night. If it doesn't rain too much, we probably still will with the ones in the parks and stuff. But like to have a full-on show where they're like massive and big and bright, I haven't seen that in a long time. I really want to see that. Trying to think of what's next occasion this year that is Canadian that would spring on some fireworks, but I don't think of any. Come on. How is your week? It's Sunday. How is your weekend going? How was your week going? Weekend going. Look at him. He's so cute.